Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to add, subtract, multiply and divide polynomials. So we are going to learn all about polynomials in this video. Let's start with a basic definition of our polynomials. Polynomials are nothing but algebraic expressions involving a sum of powers in one or more variables multiplied by the coefficients. For example, 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is a polynomial. A polynomial can have many terms. It can be a constant or a product of the constant and variable. Also, the highest power of the variable or the highest index of the variable is the degree of the polynomial. So let's start with a few examples of adding the polynomials. So our first example is a polynomial having like terms. So let's start adding the polynomial. This will be 8ab minus 5ab plus 3ab minus ab. So this is a polynomial having all the like terms. So we can add these terms directly. 8ab minus 5ab will give us 3ab plus 3ab minus ab will be 2ab, which is equal to 5ab. So in this polynomial we have all the like terms, so it was very easy to add. We just need to take care of the signs in the polynomial. Now let's move on to our second example. In this example we have three polynomials: 8x square minus 5xy plus 3y square. The second polynomial we are going to write in column form. In this method we'll write the like terms just below each other. Write 3x square just below 8x square plus 2xy and minus 6y square. The third polynomial is minus 6x square plus xy plus y square. So we'll add the polynomial column wise. So 3y square minus 6y square will be minus 3y square, and minus 3y square plus y square will be minus 2y square. In the next column we have minus xy plus 2xy, which will give us minus 3xy, and minus 3xy plus xy will be minus 2xy. And the next column is 8x square plus 3x square is 11x square. 11x square minus 6x square is 5x square. So this is our final answer. So this is the second method of adding the polynomials. But you can use any of the method, the column method or the direct method, for addition of polynomials. Keep in mind to add the like terms together with the respective signs. So this completes the addition of polynomials. Let's move on to subtraction of polynomials. So these are our examples for subtraction of polynomials. In the first example, we are subtracting 3a square b from negative 5a square b. So we'll write negative 5a square b first, then a negative sign will come for subtraction, and then 3a square b. So we are going to follow the same rules of integer addition. So negative 5 and negative 3 will become negative 8 and a square b. So our final answer will be negative 8a square b. In the second example, we are going to use the column method for subtracting. So this is 6a minus 3b plus c, and we are subtracting 4a plus 5b minus 3c. So this is the column method, and in this method, as we are subtracting, signs of the second row will get changed. So this negative sign will become positive. This positive sign will become negative, and there is a positive sign here which will be negative now. So for subtraction we will be using these signs instead of these. So this will be plus c plus 3c. Plus c plus 3c will be 4c. Positive c and positive 3c will be positive 4c. The second column will be negative 3b and negative 5b will be negative 8b. And the third one will be plus 6a minus 4a, which will give us 2a. So this is our final answer. So for subtraction of polynomials, you can use any method, the direct method or the column method. Make sure you change the signs of the terms of the polynomials you are subtracting. This completes the subtraction of polynomials. Let's move on to multiplication of polynomials. For multiplication of polynomials, we use the distributive law of addition. So here we have two polynomials, 3x plus 5y, 5x minus 7y. You can use the product sign or the single dot to show that it is a multiplication of polynomial. In multiplication, we will first multiply this 3x with 5x and then we'll multiply 3x with 7x. Similarly, we'll multiply 5y with 5x and then we'll multiply 5y with 7y. So let's start. First we'll multiply 3x with 5x. The numerical values will multiply and then the variables will also multiply. So this will be 3 times 5 times x times x. Then we'll multiply 3x with negative 7y. So there will be negative sign and 3 times 7 times x times y. So we have multiplied 3x to both the numbers. Now we will multiply 5y to 5x. Plus 5y is there, so plus sign will come. And 5 times 5 times x times y. And then 5y to negative 7y. So negative sign will come. 5 times 7 times y times y. So this is 15x square minus 21xy plus 25xy minus 35y square. Now minus 21xy and plus 25xy will be plus 4xy. So this is 15x square plus 4xy minus 35y square. This is our final answer. So this is how we multiply polynomials. Let's try our second example where we will be using the column method of multiplication. This is 3a square minus 4ab plus 6b square. And in the second column we are going to write the second polynomial, which is 5a square times b square. So we will multiply 5a square b square by 3a square. So this is 3a square times 5a square b square. Then we will multiply 5a square b square to negative 4ab. So negative 4ab times 5a square b square. And then we will multiply 5a square b square to 6b square. So this is going to be 3 times 5, 15. A square and a square will become a to the power 4 times b square minus 4. Minus 4 times 5 is 20. A times a square is a cube and b times b square is b cube plus 6 times 5 is 30. A square b to. So this is our final answer. So you can multiply polynomial using the simple method, direct method or the column method. Let's move on to division of polynomials. So in our first example, we have two monomials. This one is 8x square y cube divided by negative 2xy. So for dividing a monomial by a monomial, we need to divide each term. So this will be 8 divided by negative 2, x square divided by x and y cube divided by y. 8 divided by negative 2 will be negative 4. X square divided by x will be x to the power 2 minus 1, because when we divide the variables the powers get subtracted, times y to the power 3 minus 1. So this will be negative 4 x times y square. Let's move on to our second example. As this is a polynomial and a binomial division, we will be using the division method as we use for numbers. So we are going to write the dividend like this, 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and our divisor will come on the left hand side, x plus 1, like this. The first step in dividing the polynomials is to arrange the terms of the dividend in descending order, which we already have in our dividend. The next step is to divide the first term, only the first term. We are dividing only the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So we are dividing 2x square by x. For dividing 2x square by x, we need to multiply x with such a number to get 2x square. So x times 2x will be 2x square. So our first quotient is 2x. So we are going to multiply 2x by x plus 1 to get the term which we need to subtract from the dividend. So this is 2x square plus 2x. So 2x square plus 2x. Now we have to subtract, so we are going to change the sign. So this gets cancelled. 3x minus 2x will be x, and then we'll drop down the next term which is plus 1. Now our new dividend is x plus 1 and divisor is x plus 1. So we need to multiply x plus 1 with such a number to get x plus 1, and that number is plus 1. So x plus 1 times 1 is x plus 1. Now we are going to change the sign for subtraction. So this all gets cancelled and we are left with 0 remainder. So our quotient or the answer is 2x plus 1. So in polynomial division, we keep on dividing the polynomial until we get the remainder as 0 or a polynomial of degree less than that of the divisor. In this video, we have completed the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of polynomials. I hope this video is helpful to you and you can use this single video to revise everything about polynomials. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.